What to do when your Spirit Airlines application is not working. First, you need to make sure that your internet connection is working. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi to connect to a secure network. And if you have a strong connection but the app is still not working, what you can do is, sometimes if the app is constantly crashing, you can use your website to access the app. Go to your browser, let's say for Safari, and here you want to type in Spirit, click on search, and you'll see the official, and if you scroll down you'll see the official Spirit Airlines website. Tap on the website, and from here you can simply use the application. If you want to sign in into your account, you want to simply click on sign in over here. If you want to sign in into your account, you want to simply click on sign in, type it out your email and password over here, and click on sign in to log in and to use the website from here. And if that doesn't work either, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again, or you can simply check your bookings on the website like I just did. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.